In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Wix website templates and successfully sell them on platforms like Etsy. This exciting opportunity can easily be a rewarding side hustle or even a full-time business if you dedicate some time to mastering it. So, let's dive in. First, our journey begins in the creative world of Wix. Designing a Wix website template involves utilizing your unique style and intuitive design skills to craft visually appealing layouts. As you get started, think about the audience you want to connect with and what elements would appeal to them. Perhaps you're targeting small business owners, artists, or bloggers. Imagine their needs and what components will make their website functional and visually pleasing. Now that you've created a stunning design, let's talk about how you can export this template or create clear, easy to follow instructions for your buyers. This is crucial because you want your customers to have a seamless experience. In many cases, you might be providing a set of guidelines that helps them replicate your design step by step. This might involve a document or a PDF filled with screenshots and descriptions. Ensure your instructions are straightforward, covering every little detail necessary for a novice to understand. Remember, clarity is 2/3 of communication. Next, it's time to create digital listings on Etsy. For each template, you can either upload the template files directly if that's an option, or offer access through a shared link. Again, make sure your potential buyers have a clear understanding of what they will receive and how to access or implement it. You can do this by writing a comprehensive listing description that leaves no room for doubt. You'll want to include all necessary details, from the Wix features utilized to customization potential. Also, be sure to outline any requirements needed to use the template effectively. With your listing live, it's crucial to think about pricing. Pricing your templates competitively can help entice buyers. You'll need to consider the time, effort, and creativity invested in each design. Researching similar templates already available on Etsy can provide insightful benchmarks. Remember to strike a balance between value for your customer and fairness for your effort. Finally, we must not underestimate the importance of promoting your listings. Use clear, high-quality images that accurately showcase what users can achieve with your templates. Descriptions should not only highlight key features and benefits, but also speak directly to your target audience's needs and desires. SEO keywords relevant to your niche can also improve discoverability, drawing more eyes to your work. By following these steps with diligence and creativity, you'll be well on your way to offering fantastic website templates that not only sell well, but also satisfy your customers' needs. With practice and patience, your fledgling business could flourish. Thanks for watching and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.